Good morning, AP Research. Sorry I can't be with you today. Wanted to take a minute to go over the assignments for the day and touch base with all of you. Um, First off, just a reminder, some of you are very far behind on weekly check-ins. If you haven't done your check-in for this week, that is priority number 1. So make sure you open that up and get that filled out. We need to be staying on top of those because that's going to be your primary way to earn credit this semester. I will start individual check-ins next week. So you've signed up for your check-in time. That is the time you need to log into Zoom next week. As you know, we're just in the thick of our data collection and work time. So I want to honor that time, but I do need to start having those one-on-ones with you. So make sure you log into Zoom next week at your assigned time. I did want to touch base on a new resource from AP, from College Board, and it's found in your AP classroom, and it is this collection of videos. And we're going to file this under the category of it would have been nice to have these at the start of the year, but we are going to make as much use of them as possible. So I'm not sure what you see when you log into AP Classroom. It's my understanding that you are able to see all of the so-called units, or the way that they've broken up the class, which are these tabs up here. And everything in blue on the right-hand side is an AP Daily video that explains that resource. Now, I went ahead and assigned one that I thought would be applicable to everyone, and that's on justification and alignment. And it's over here in Google Classroom. So there's a link directly to the video. There's also an AP Classroom user guide in case you're not familiar with this resource. I'm not sure if your other AP classes use it much. You can use that if needed. And then I asked a question of the video which says reflect on where you need to add more justification in your own paper. So you are going to watch that first thing this block after making sure your check-ins are up to date. But I did want to just make you aware, as I understand it, you should have the ability to watch any of these videos at any time. And this is a massive resource for us. And the two immediately that were drawing my attention for most of you, you can see this one right here, surveys are hard. For those of you who are doing surveys, this is an awesome video. Again, you may be going, would have been great if I had that earlier. The pitfalls of content and meta-analysis. Some of you are doing content analysis, and so this would be a great one to take a look at. And also the arts-based research number 2. For those of you that are doing creation-based papers, I think this is a helpful video. So I just wanted to make sure you knew these were here. There will be some that I will assign, but otherwise it is just an amazing collection from AP scorers, and I think it's in your best interest to look over some of these and start using these to inform your decisions from here on out. So wanted to make sure you knew about that. So that's it for today. Just go ahead and use the time to work. Make sure that your work check-ins are done, and watch this quick 10-minute video and reflect on where you can add some justification in your own paper. If you need me, I'm available via email for a little bit this afternoon, so I will check my email at the end of the day today. So thank you all. I hope you have a very productive block.